because
Yeah.
the date, if I do a from and to date together, it doesn't give me the date that I intended for the second date.
Okay.
So yeah, even though it's in the code. So I can play it for you. Because I put the two together. No, that's the wrong one. Sorry, the date combo.
Can you share with the screen?
Yeah, I'll share with you. Ooh, combination. Sorry. Yeah. I just want to make sure I'm going to play the right one. Okay. Yeah. Let me share with you, and then I'll start it up. Just one moment. I'll just start it up. I'm going to, well, that's okay. I'll just start Cypress.
Yeah.
Let's start Cypress. Oh. Make sure I've got the right one. The date picker. You know, let me try this one.
Yeah, this one the assignment which I have given to you now yesterday.
Yeah, the one that we worked on. So I hate to touch anything, but okay, so that date's right. Actually, no, the departing date. Notice how the departing date is 12/29.
Yeah, it's
But that's not
it's not a departing date, now.
You're right. The
That one is
depart.
returning. I think.
That's returning.
Yeah.
Yeah, departing.
So
Let's look at what it.
you just change the index.
Okay. So when I look at here in the date picker, I thought I wanted 11/29, but
So in that case, you just change the index to 0.
to 0. Okay.
Can you open
So
the
when I
code?
go back here, just
Yeah,
bear
change
with
the
me.
EQ 0.
To 0. Okay. So this was the one where I got the second date.
Yeah.
But I didn't really want that for the second date. I said includes 2. So I don't know why it's coming through that way.
I'm not getting like what exactly you want.
I wanted it to say 12/2.
So it's giving 12/2 now, 2nd of December.
Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. Date picker 2. Let's make
Okay,
sure
you're
we're in the
getting
right
20,
one.
29. You're getting now.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Date picker 2. Can you just show me the code?
Sure.
Okay. It should should display to why 29 is getting displayed
I
here.
don't know. I can start when I say start over again, I can exit out to make sure we're in the
Okay,
right one.
there is do one thing like this one is date picker 2 na. This was the correct. Okay, so just change to 2 to 3.
Just change my
No,
code to 3 because
no, no,
here,
no, no, no,
no.
no, 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 no. Includes 2 is getting display na. Instead of 2, just put 3 over there. Line number 24.
Okay, includes 3. Okay.
Yeah, let me
And
check
see
what
what
happened.
happens.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's go here then. Okay, so it runs fast.
Yeah.
So now it gives 31.2. So it's like counting from 11:29.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So,
Okay, and do one thing. Just go. Just change the index.
okay.
Line number 19. Just put 0 EQ 0.
Okay, 0 here.
Yeah. Now see here.
And anywhere else?
No, no, no.
No? Just there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This runs fast. 11:30. Okay.
Mm-mm-mm. Okay. Includes.
You want me to look at you want to look at the code
Can you
again?
click on that verifying the data picker? No, no.
Okay, back here.
Test. Yeah, back here. Here, just click on the test case.
This one here and run it
No, no, no.
again.
Right side. Yeah, in that second column. Second column.
Here.
Yeah, click that test
And
case. Yeah,
then
yeah,
open it.
yeah. Click that. Yeah. Go to log.
Okay. Yeah,
Uh,
log here. Um, it's hard to see to get to the uh i- yeah. So it looks like it's hitting 3 if you can see that red dot
yeah, yeah. Go back at 30th. What is there at 30th?
at
Go down. Go
up
down.
here.
Go down. Go down.
Go down, go down. Okay.
At 30. Okay. It taking by default 30. Okay.
I'm sorry. I was just going up here. It says 11:23 and then when I go here it's 11:30. See how it goes back and forth?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
yeah.
Now can you just show me the code?
Sure. Um, it's
Okay.
like it needs something to be set
Yeah.
at the
Just wait.
beginning or
Let me
something.
check at my end.
Sure.
Just wait.
Sure. Sorry if you heard me drinking water. Yeah, so my bottle was crackling, so
Okay.
um yeah.
Calendar. Where is calendar? I got it in the calendar. I'm just running my script now.
Sure.
Do one thing. I'll share my screen to you first. Then you can check it out as
Sure.
well.
Let me
Yeah, yeah,
unshare.
yeah.
All right. It takes a minute or two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you see this now?
Right now, okay, yes, I do see it now.
This one is Air India Calendar 1.
Mhm.
I just go
Yeah.
there.
Force true equal. You got equal 1. You had me change it to equal 0. That's fine. Oh, you're okay. I see. Now we're playing it.
EQ1 I'm having right now.
Yeah, you have
India
EQ 1.
Calendar 1. Air India Calendar 1. So I just
UI. Yeah. I
Air,
got UI state default.
yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
calendar one. Let me stop this one.
Okay.
Again, I go to my terminal.
Okay.
Actually, our code is correct. If you see, I don't know why it
Yeah.
is giving picking the wrong date.
Yeah, it might, I don't know. The websites, sometimes you've got to wonder.
Ah,
You
yeah.
know, they've got, I was getting weird security message on something too, that it was telling me it wasn't airing out, but then it told me to look in web tools. I'm summarizing what it said at the end on one thing that I was running, and I looked at it a few times. I even took screenshots. I'm like, this is weird.
Mm-hmm.
Um, you know, uh, so I mean, sometimes I think it's the website, and I know that with my company, I have more control if I'm doing some stuff that we're doing. I mean, it's our websites a
Mm-hmm.
lot of times. So, or it's a client's website, but again, we still have control because we have development. Um, so, some of it I just think that I
Okay.
think that this product is hard.
Okay.
It's I mean, you have to trap. I was just telling Steve this morning, my partner, I said that you really have to sometimes like write, even though you think things have passed, you're going
Mm-hmm.
to have a screenshot or something in your report. And maybe you don't look at it all the time, but if I run 20 tests
Mm-hmm.
and each one says pass, I probably still want to do a report that has a key screenshot or something, or that writes out that it returned the date. It
Mm-hmm.
returned, I said 12/2, or 12/2/22. I'm using the American order. And I got it, you know,
Okay.
because it can look like it passes, but it doesn't. Or when you get that weird message at the bottom, which I don't have right now to show,
Mm-hmm.
but that I have to look in web tools.
Mm-hmm.
And by the way, my instance of their Chrome says update. Their Chrome says
Okay.
update, and I
Update.
try and I tried updating it, and then it keeps telling me I have to update it.
Oh no. It's weird.
Right.
Today it's
And my
weird.
Chrome says, oh, my Chrome does now say update. Oops. But but um but their Chrome, it's different.
Yeah.
So, oh, what did I just do? Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, so I mean, I can, but I tried updating it and it didn't update. But for sake of argument, I'm going to just try updating their instance, not mine. It shouldn't update mine.
Okay.
Relaunch, right?
Yeah.
And maybe Chrome has just been pushing a lot of updates. Maybe that's what's going on. But once you do the
Yeah.
update, you pretty much need to get out. You need to
Mm,
just get out and start again.
mm. Yeah, the
So
same thing I'm
just
getting this 29 December.
hmm oh, the update thing. Yeah. But you know, the sites are complicated, especially the ones that we're testing. So there's a lot going on security wise and things like that.
Yeah, it's a Air India, na? So it's a little bit sensitive website, we can say, like,
Hmm.
yeah. So it's not a general website, it's a very having security and all.
Yeah, and I mean, I'm going to stop fighting it. What I'm trying to say is
Hmm.
um, understanding that what I'm going to use it for, I have some control over. So,
Okay.
and that if I have to put in statements about security or whatever, about logging
Hmm.
in or all of
Hmm.
that, I mean, we will figure that out.
Okay.
Um, so
Yeah.
yeah, it's just you have to. Yeah, I mean, I so much of this is trial and error and troubleshooting it. And I'm not saying I know it must be hard for you because I don't have a background of a coder.
Hmm.
Um, I'm I'm glad that we're having a class one-on-one.
Hmm.
And if I were to take the people who do Cypress, they have like some of the people who are Cypress ambassadors or whatever you want to call them,
Hmm.
they'll have like something you can click and then you can take a class. But I would just be worried that the class would just be some guy who, he has a development background and he's just going to talk. He's just going to talk through. He's going to type this in, blah, 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 and
Yeah.
but because that's how they are. And the people who are the ambassadors, they have solved certain problems and they have certain emphasis. They emphasize
Mm.
certain things. And I think this guy was wanting 17 hours for it was in pounds, 400, which the US exchange rate would put that at 500. But, but what I mean is that I found hardly anybody offers these courses. And then it seems like the people who are the ambassadors, they don't want people to really know you can't go to a central area, but you find out who the person is who is often on the site or whatever, and then they offer classes. But like I said, I think the experience would have been some guy is going to be assuming I really know JavaScript or something,
Okay.
and yeah, and I don't. But no, I mean, I can learn, but I don't right now. So
Okay.
so anyway, that was my long explanation. But like I said, I mean, it's just and there's just one other thing that I noticed and Steve had me start to do is he
Mhm.
said, just don't do autosave. Just if you look at something, you close it and then you run. He just said, he said, just do that. Just make sure that because I was getting some inconsistent results. And I think it was because I, was doing
Mhm.
autosave or it was coming through too fast.
Okay.
Um,
Mhm.
so but I mean, I have screenshots of what error I was getting. It was just like it was crazy. Um,
Okay.
but telling me to go to Web Tools, and I'm like, wait, your product doesn't tell me all the errors, and it tells me I have to go to Web Tools.
Mhm.
So I screenshotted it.
Okay.
But yeah, what was I running? I wish I
So
would have known that.
yeah.
What? Yeah.
So there
Anyway,
is I got the issue here. What happened?
okay.
Now see.
Again, I
Yeah, I'll explain you what happened in this scenario.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
One second. Huh? Just hold on.
Okay.
Yeah. One second.
Okay.
Yeah, Dennis, I'm back.
Okay.
So see, can you see here the two?
I'm watching you want me to share?
No, no, no. See here, in this condition, I just put here two,
Mhm.
correct?
Yes.
So what happened, if I take one example for you. See, I am having some number here. For instance, like 1, 2, 3,
Mm-hmm.
4, okay, 5,
Mm-hmm.
6, 7, 8, something like this. Then again 1, 11, 12. Then afterward 20, 21,
Mm-hmm.
22. So this is a calendar, okay? The last one is
Yeah.
suppose 29 and then 30. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in this condition, what we put here, we put include, and in the
Mm-hmm.
bracket we just put here 2 here. Okay. So what happened, it just taking out, if 2 is there, it is just clicking that 2 1,
Mm-hmm.
because our condition is to check it out here in this case, that whether your logic 2 is there or not in your data.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
it click on 2, then not 3, not 4, not 5. Again, yeah, it getting 1 and 2, so 2 is getting here. So it's clicking 2. Then again,
Mm-hmm.
clicking 2, 0, 2, 1, 2. In that way, 29. Last one is 29. That's why we are getting 29 here. So if you see
Yeah.
the log, yeah, if you see the log here,
Mm-hmm.
so see, you can see here, 2,
Right.
2 is there. It clicking the 2.
Yes.
Yeah. Then, yeah, it's 2 here, log 2. It's clicking here, log 2. But not
Mm-hmm.
3, not 4, not 5, not 12. Then again, it's clicking for 12. 2 is there, no? In that
Yeah,
way,
right.
2 0, then 2 1, clicking all till 29.
Mm-hmm.
The last one is clicking 29,
Yeah.
not 31. So in that case, what we'll do, we change this to, we remove this include here. Instead of that, we just put here equal to sign, and we run that one.
Okay. So the date, I'm sorry. So the date equals instead of the if, no, we do have the if.
Yeah,
Okay. If date, I have a date 1. You do an equal, I have to make sure I see that right, equals, and you took the 2 out of the parentheses,
yeah.
okay,
And just now we run this one.
okay. So like if it absolutely equals 2, now I have it equal 1, okay, that's fine. I'm on date, okay. I'll watch this.
See, got the result.
Mhm. Yeah, much better. Yeah, because it was going, I'm like, "Why is it doing all that?"
Hmm. Yeah, yeah,
And I thought, well, maybe the 12 was getting mixed up because it did do 12. Maybe the 12 was getting mixed up with the months.
yeah, yeah. So you just also, yeah, turn on and let me know then. Okay.
And so run it now. Do you want me
Yeah,
to
yeah,
share or?
yeah. I wanted you should
All
share.
right.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's make sure the script is okay now. So that I'm showing you the script. So I changed, it says equal 1 because I'm trying to get the to date. And then I say if date 1 equal single quote 2 single quote 2 and then and then a close paren. So I don't have any red things on here. um yeah, I always want to look at that. Okay, so let's open it up.
Yeah. I just stop sharing if you want.
Okay,
Yeah.
Did I share or no?
Yeah, I
I'm
can
not
see. Yeah,
sharing.
I can see. Yeah.
I am sharing. Okay, you can see.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's taking a little bit of time. That's funny. Oh, here it is. I think I said date picker too. 2 minutes ago. Yeah, that's the one.
Mhm.
Okay, so we need to look at it. Okay, wonderful.
Oh, great.
It's here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good because it was going around and around. So
Mhm.
yeah, it was weird. But yeah. But I'm glad it was a simple solution. I was thinking I was going to have to declare, it's starting or something,
Mhm. Mhm.
and then it's ended, and then I can do another one, or I don't know. Anyway,
Okay.
all right, that's good.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay, then so can we start today the iframe?
finally, yes, yes. Let me. I'm going to get out of this if that's okay, and then I don't know if I have iFrame installed.
Okay.
I might have to have that installed. Is so yeah. Let me know where it should be
Yeah, just
installed.
check it out whether you have iframe or not installed.
Yeah, where do I go? Is it
Let me
um
share you my screen. You will get more idea.
okay, I'll stop.
Yeah. Second. Wait a minute. Now.
You're sharing, right?
Yeah, yeah. Just 2 minutes.
Sure, it's a
Uh,
little slow.
yeah, yeah. Let me share my screen. Can you see?
Not yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not you have to move up your symbol will move over to the side and then it starts coming in. Your symbol is not moving to the side yet, so it's not
Okay, now.
no.
Now you can see. Hello.
Yes, yes, I can. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. So see,
There the
if today you see what we'll see here. If I
mhm.
remove this
I
thing.
sure.
Okay, so today is like 12th of November. So like Dennis, what is frame or what is iframe?
Yeah. It, it seems like it's a construct that's used for a page.
Mm-hmm.
And you can't really see it very easily. You can't get to it directly like other pages. And that's how, when our student exams are like, when you go into the questions, they're iframe structure. So it's hard to visually see that. And then for that, I did install, I mean, my separate instance where I'm doing company work,
Mhm.
I had to install iframe for Cypress.
Okay. So basically, I, like we have one website, or we can say web page. Okay. So
Mhm.
web, if I remove this one, so web page contain another web page.
Mhm.
So that web page we have to automate and call as iframe.
Mhm. Okay.
Got it? So if
Yes.
I take the example, suppose if I'm searching Google, if I take the example of
Mhm.
iframe example. If I click this iframe example here in Google, so if I go W3 here, HTML site, can you see this one?
Yes, I can.
See, this web page contain
Mhm.
a web page here. See,
Yeah, the web page, you mean, of the W3 schools, and then you have within there,
yeah,
what you're displaying, what you're scrolling.
exactly. Yeah.
Mhm.
So if I try yourself writing here, so see, this is here one page is there, and inside there is another page. So this
Mhm.
page is displayed in an iframe. So this is the iframe.
Mhm.
Okay. So now whatever is their element, we have to automate that. So sometimes
Yes.
iframe is difficult to automate.
Mhm.
Yeah, because we are not directly automating that one because this
Mhm.
page contain in the iframe, and there is another way to handle that one.
Okay.
Yeah. So if I close this one and if I open the our official website of Cypress, if I just click here iframe in Cypress, so this one is the official uh, you know website for
Yeah.
Cypress. I think you've gone
Mhm.
through it now. This one.
Okay. Mhm.
Yeah. So in that case, if I just click on this iframe dashboard is coding over here. I don't want dashboard right now. Uh,
Mhm.
Cypress IO. I just copy this one.
Mhm. I have been to their documentation a lot.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Okay,
yeah, and some of it you can follow and some of it just doesn't, I
okay.
don't know. Some of it I think it doesn't, I think it's not answering my question, but I don't think I understand what my question was. So, um, but yeah, it's just hard because it goes down a certain path of logic, and
Yeah,
sometimes that's
yeah.
not what you're looking for. You don't know that that's your real question. So,
Exactly.
yeah.
So once again,
But they do try. I mean, they do try to have it updated, their
yeah,
documentation, I mean.
sure. Exactly. If I okay, directly what I'll do, I'll try to install this iframe install in Cypress.
Right now, my mind, I'm kind of forgot where I installed it. It's
So see, if you
either,
go here, you'll get some npm packages for iframe.
yeah, it's gonna go, oh,
See,
even their, yeah,
what you do?
imports.
See what you do? You just write
Intel,
on this one,
oh, yeah,
copy this one,
yeah.
and just I'm just sharing with you.
Yeah. And so it's in the right directory
Yeah,
then when I go to my Cypress training.
because I already have this one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Copy this one. I have sent to you.
Um, sure.
Now, then what you do? Can you see this import file?
Mm-hmm.
You copy this one
Mm-hmm.
and put into a command.js file.
Commands
Yeah,
dot
either you can take
JS.
import
So do
Cypress.
I first do the install,
Yeah, first you install.
right?
Yeah, first you install. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So bear with me because I couldn't. Let me get from the chat. That's what was happening. I wasn't getting it from the chat. Okay.
Okay.
So let me do the install.
Yeah, yeah. First you install.
All right. And it should go fast. Usually goes fast, right? Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. Found 0 vulnerabilities. Okay. And then you said, which file am I going into?
Yeah.
Which,
I'm just sending you this import Cypress iframe. Copy this one
and that goes,
and put into the command.js file.
goes into command.
Yeah, under
Uh,
support
oh,
folder.
support.
Yeah, which we had made custom command. Na?
Yeah, just
That
bear
file.
with me. I'm trying to find support. I've got
Either
my
either
node
you can
modules.
either you can write
Is
import
it
or require. Both is working.
the command JS? Okay.
Yeah.
Um, okay. Huh.
Done.
Yeah, I see the import Cypress iframe. And I
Mhm.
do have a few things in my commands.
Okay.
So because we already put those in, like the 2-tab search text box and all that,
Mhm.
do I
Mhm.
put this above or do I care? Or
You can put above anywhere you can put.
I can put it anywhere?
Yeah, it's only one line of code.
Okay.
Outside the bracket you can put.
I can put it outside of the Cypress
Yeah.
ones?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then just save it, whatever. Okay.
Mhm.
All right.
Okay.
All and then oh, support. All right. Commands. I was just writing a note. Commands JS. Okay.
Done.
So it should be there. I mean, I should have iframe.
Okay. And also, you have to add this reference also. Like we reference the type Cypress for the auto suggestion.
Oh, huh.
Yeah.
So I'm going to have to do that. Do I have
Yeah.
to add both reference types or just that one?
Yeah. When you like just create one file to handle.
Mm-hmm.
So in that, just write down reference type Cypress and also write down reference type Cypress iframe both.
So I have to write those separately.
Yeah, yeah.
Cypress. Okay. And my reference types is usually, I'm just going to look at it. My reference types is usually Cypress. So it has to be 2 separate lines. Okay.
Yeah, so two separate line. One is for Cypress, another for Cypress iframe.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Now,
Types, and that's an equal.
yeah.
Okay.
Now, see, in the iframe, we use some command like frame loaded.
Hmm.
So this will verify that the iframe is loaded to any page other than out of blank. So we
Okay.
use CYR frame loaded.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now afterwards, what you will write? You will write just whenever you want to click on any button, you just write down cy.iframe. Then this will your CSS selector, then assertion, then click.
Okay.
This one is your. This will verify that the iframe is loaded to any page other than about blank.
Mhm.
So if I summarize here, so I'll just take an example for you. First, what we have done, we use this command
Mhm.
to install Cypress. Sorry, to install iframe. Okay. Now second one, we
Okay.
have some here. This one is a package. We can see we are importing some files here, like this one.
Mhm.
First one is installing the iframe. Second one is just importing this here in command.js file. So where is command or under your support folder, then command.js file. Put that import. Okay. Now third step is what? Just auto suggestion. For auto just put here reference top of your Cypress.
Mhm.
As we do in Cypress. So here iframe we are using. So put here. And the fourth one
Mhm.
is what we do here. We loaded the Cypress by using this command. So here I can
Mhm.
say this will verify that the iframe is loaded to any page other than about blank. So we use cvr frame load. Okay.
Mhm.
And afterward, once we load it, then we use the command here cvr.frame.
Okay.
Yeah, this one is my fifth step. So in iframe, total fifth step we have.
Okay.
Got it?
Um, so you've got like CY, I mean, I'm looking at your number 5.
Yeah.
Um, you've got like CY
Iframe.
iframe.
Yeah. Find
Yeah.
this one locator.
Find, and then some button, and then always or like saying the should
Yeah.
be visible. Visible. Okay. And then click. Okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I'll take one example here.
Okay.
Just a minute.
Sure.
Welcome guys. So in this lecture, I will show
So Dennis will take some website here. Like if I go and just automate some
Mhm.
website containing iframe. So let me check which website containing the iframe. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
So iframe containing website. The best iframe website, if I click this one,
Okay. That's funny. The best. So to test out, right? Websites. Well, I mean, I guess what you're saying, not really to test out, but they're saying the best ones. So,
So here this was iframe is getting an iframe.
Mhm.
So if I click this one, iframe. So let me check whether if I go to inspect and I just check it out whether the iframe is there or not.
Mhm.
Control F, iframe. Title is iframe. Okay,
Mhm.
iframe. I just need the class iframe here.
Mhm.
No, it's not there, which I want. This website doesn't work for me.
Okay.
Actually, we are not getting, website containing iframe. Very rarely we are getting. Like if I see
Mhm.
this one, my Google page is there. If I right click here,
Mhm.
if I search iframe is there or not, so iframe. Okay, so what I'll do,
Mhm.
I'll just go to this W3 website. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So this containing the iframe. If I click on, I inspect it. I just need one iframe ID or CSS selector, for to load that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this ID is what is for iframe or not? Oh, this one main leader. Oh, yeah, can see the iframe here.
Oh, iframe name. Is that
Yeah,
what that
I
says?
want this one like
Mhm.
document something like this. Yeah, this one is iframe
Okay. Um,
and it's control to the document. If I just close this one, if I click on here, try it yourself.
let me get into where you're at. W3 schools.
Yeah,
Okay, so W3 schools, and then um, I search iframe, maybe.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. What's an iframe? Oh no. Let me. Ooh. I got into Bluehost.
Okay.
Okay, so let me just try to type the URL that you have. I think I've got it. w3schools.com. It says HTML. HTML underscore iframe. No, doesn't like it.
Yeah,
Maybe if you send me like the beginning URL that you had.
see, Dennis.
Uh-huh.
Let me finish this one so that we can get the more picture. Like what I'm doing. I'll
Okay, sure. I'll look at it. Okay.
see here. What I'll do. I got this result
Mhm.
here. Can you see iframe? I got
iframe,
the
yeah,
ID also.
iframe border, iframe results
Yeah, I got the
allow
ID
full
also.
screen true. Mhm.
I got the ID also for this iframe. So now what I'll do,
Okay.
I'll automate this one, W3 school. So how to automate
Okay.
that? Yeah, how to automate that one first. So basically, I just write on W3 school here. I open the w3schools.com,
Mm-hmm.
schools.com here. After that, I have to search here iframe. In this
Okay,
code,
W3
yeah,
schools.
I have to just search here iframe.
Okay.
Now what happened now if I click on the search button? I'm getting this HTML tag name and all this. Okay. So if I click this one, let me check this one is belong to iframe or not. Because this is one is website containing the website now.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So let me go up. So this one is not. Yeah, this one is iframe. Got this?
Okay, so no.
Yeah.
Um so did you start out by typing, oh, that's part of my problem.
Yeah.
Did you start out by typing https w3schools.com?
Yeah. You can just type HTTPS.
Okay, because that was part of my problem. I didn't do that. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And then in the
See. Yeah.
search box, you
Yeah.
say iframe?
iframe. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, iframe. Search
Oh, I
within.
got it.
And then
I
you
got it.
chuck you did the
Yeah.
HTML
See.
frame search it now.
Yeah. See what I'll do. For more understanding, I'll just write down here one. I'll just create one file for you
Mhm.
by the name of iframe.js.
Okay.
Though the folder is already I've already, so I just change it to iframe one.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now in this case, I'll just put here. See, I already if I go to my support file now, if I go to my support file, the inside support file command.js. So you can see here
Mhm.
iframe is there or not. I put iframe plugin here.
Okay. You have a bigger file than I do, but yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So in that command.js file, I don't have that. I haven't import that one. So I need to,
Oh, I see.
yeah,
Yeah,
I
the
just,
import
yeah,
Cypress iframe. Mhm.
exactly.
Okay.
So I just go to my notepad, just import this file.
Yes.
Just go to my VS Code under command.js. I'll just put here
Mhm.
after the command.
Okay.
Okay, now, or also I can just put it up at the top. I just remove this one from here.
Okay.
If I go up, import Cypress iframe. Okay. Now the second thing is when I am starting writing this one, so I just need to put this one for the auto suggestion. Yeah,
The reference type?
this one reference type, correct. Just copy this one.
Mm-hmm.
And what I'll do here in that case, if I need it, I'll just write it once more time, one more time in front of you. No problem for me.
Okay.
So just again installing the iframe. So I have installed already. Again I have installed. Now,
Yes.
yeah. Now what I'll do, I'll just write down my Cypress edition here. Okay, just copy paste here.
Reference type Cypress.
Sorry. Yeah,
Types. Yeah. Pretty much copy it and just
yeah.
Cypress, maybe.
Deadly. A copy here and just remove this one. Okay. Now
Okay.
just write down describe here. Describe. Automatic check again. I'm just clicking this one. It block. Right. Callback function. CY dot it. Schools. W3 schools. Okay, now let me run this one. Iframe 1. Okay, iframe 1. Iframe 1. Oh, iframe 1. Okay, I'll stop this one. Spec file. Now iframe 1. Yeah, the last I can see it. Yeah.
Mhm. It's kind of slow.
Yes, taking time.
Mm-hmm.
What I'll do here now? Check it out. Is your website WSTC.
Hmm.
It's taking time to open. I don't know.
Yeah. Oh no.
Let me stop this one. Electron. Electron is fast.
Okay.
Now in this box, I just put here iframe.
Mm-hmm.
Just right click here. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just go to my site here. Just close this one. Yeah. Remove this iframe here. Right click, inspect it. ID search 2. If I take this one, ID search 2,
Okay.
check it out. This one is unique or not. Yeah, this one is unique. I'll check it. I'll use this one. Now go to my code here. I'll just put here. Okay, I'll just make another test case. It enter iframe into the text box. Callback function cy.get type iframe. Let me check what happened. Yeah, I got this iframe. Now afterwards, just clicking on the search button here. Go here. Here you can see ID search 2. For the search button, the ID must be the different, no? ID search 2 again.
Mhm.
Okay, what I'll do in that case, I'll take another one. I'll just put here dot type, and inside this single quote, I just write on enter. Okay, Dennis.
Okay.
See, I got the iframe page here. Got it?
Yeah.
So this page,
So it's displaying.
yeah. So this page contain another this page. This page is iframe.
Mm-hmm.
Now I want to click on this HTML iframe tag. So I cannot click directly, First,
Mm-hmm.
first I want to load the iframe.
Okay.
Then I have to use cy.iframe function. Then I can use that one. I cannot click directly here because this one is iframe.
Mm-hmm.
Because web page containing this web page. Got it? So what I'll do, I'll just go back to my here. I just click here iframe.
Mm-hmm.
Search it. Now this page. I got this page. This one is my iframe. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see, you can like guess two ways. This one is iframe or not. First one is
Mm-hmm.
website containing another website, or you can say web page
Yeah.
containing another web page. And second thing, when you go and click on inspect button, so you will get
Mm-hmm.
some iframe. Iframe tag you will get.
Okay.
Yeah. So you see iframe. Can you see it?
Yeah, iframe
Yeah.
name,
Yeah. Exactly.
AD reporter. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. So now you have to search the ID for this one, ID of class for this iframe. So I just
Mm-hmm.
go up, style, meta, iframe. This one ID is there. Okay. This ID,
Is that
no, this ID,
EI or something? I
yeah,
can't read it, but yeah.
IDEL, yeah,
Uh-huh.
IDEL, yeah. But I want that iframe, iframe
Mm-hmm.
ID, yeah. This one is iframe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See, master one. Can you see?
ID master dash one. Mm-hmm.
Exactly. This one is the iframe. The tag name is iframe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. First, you just upload this one. So just check
Mm-hmm.
it out. This one is unique or not. Just put it. Yeah. This one is unique.
Yeah.
So take this one. Now go to your notepad. Now you can see here, you need to have CY.frame loaded.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see frame loaded?
Yes.
Yeah. Now if you go to your npm Cypress here, the command which we use just now,
Mm-hmm.
iframe, you can see
Yeah.
here the way you can just CY.frame, and you just
Mm-hmm.
put your like whatever you ID or class you want, just put there. So before that
Okay.
you need to write on CY.frame loaded because you are loading the frame. Okay. So I
Mm-hmm.
just go there and write here. Well, I'll use one another 8 block here.
Mm-hmm.
Loading iframe. I just put here now cy dot loaded. What's the command? Frame loaded.
CY dot
Frame loaded. Yeah,
frame loaded?
yeah.
Yeah.
Frame. Just click on F. Okay, dot
Mm-hmm. And
F.
then it fills it in for you, maybe.
Yeah, F. Yeah,
Frame.
I got this one. So this one.
Yeah,
Now,
there you go.
yeah, now put your the
Mm-hmm.
ID master one.
ID master one, yeah.
Now your frame is loaded.
Uh-huh.
Got it?
Yes.
Now in the second case, what you need to do? You want to click that on the iframe, like any link. If I click,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I want to click this link. So go to your arrow button and click here.
Uh-huh.
Click on this, or just right click here, inspect it. So
Mm-hmm.
this link I'm getting here.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? So
Yeah.
yeah, you can just write on this one.
Mm-hmm.
What is an iframe? So you just write down like this.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just use here it block again.
Mm-hmm.
Clicking on the iframe link. I just write down here. Now in the second one is, if you go to, so now we'll use cy.iframe.
Mm-hmm.
Then use find. Should be visible, then
Okay.
click cy.iframe. Now I use cy.iframe.
Mm-hmm.
Iframe. This is my link. Okay, if you see here.
Mm-hmm.
So no need to put here some. You just
Mm-hmm.
It's a function only. If I go to my website here, npm, you can see cby.frame.
Uh-huh.
You can put here the ID and all. You can put, then you can find here. Also,
Mm-hmm.
you can put like this dot contain. So hidden element should be not visible like this also.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'll do, I'll just find out the uh for this iframe. I just find out whether I'm getting any ID or not for this case. Let me check for any ID. For this class, I'm getting this target equal to top. So if I control F, if I just write down here
Mm-hmm.
target, so my tag name is A. Inside target equal to underscore top, no? Top. Oh, one of 28 I'm getting here.
Hmm.
If I take this class equal to, yeah, one of I've got this one. Take this class, go to iframe,
Mm-hmm.
you go to your npm site, you can see it in single quote, you can write like this. So I also write along like this.
Mm-hmm.
Should I use some assertion here? Should be dot visible dot click dot click post true.
Mm-hmm.
Now let me check it's working or not for me.
Okay.
Now I'm getting one error here.
Oh. CY selector log
Okay,
something.
it's very fast now. So what I'll do, I'll put some weight here.
Okay.
Like if I take CY dot wait for some 2000 millisecond,
Mm-hmm.
or I'll just put this weight here. Let me check what happened now.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, I cannot put outside the it block. Now I should have to put inside the it block.
Oh. Hmm.
Uh, what I'll do? Okay, I'll just I just remove this space here.
Okay. Hmm.
Again, I'm getting the same error. Okay, it's any cross browser. My iframe is loaded, correct?
Uh, loading loading iframe,
Yeah, what
the
I'll
one
do,
above it.
yeah, what I'll do,
Yeah.
I'll just,
Line 16. I'm
yeah,
sorry. Yeah.
what I'll do, I'll just put this line below this loaded one. Let me check
Mm-hmm.
what happened.
Something happened though
Mhm.
up in there. Mhm. A security error.
Okay, so for cross browsing, I'll just put that one, Cypress
Okay.
on. Where is my,
Cypress oh, the uncaught exception. Mhm.
yeah.
Ooh, security
Block
error.
a frame
It's
with
funny.
origin.
Oh, the cross origin. Oh,
Security error, yeah.
yeah. Oh no, maybe there's some type of statement. I don't know.
So what, I'll just copy this one. I'll just go here and
And look it up.
yeah, and just Google it.
Yeah. I was getting that yesterday, by the way,
Okay, the same
with
error.
something else. Yeah. Um,
The same error you're getting.
yeah, I was getting that. What did they say to do? I kind of like stopped doing what I was doing, but they were saying they had a fix for that.
Okay.
Um, but trying to remember where it was. If I have that tab up yet. No, I don't.
Yeah.
The they were talking about enabling experimental session and origin.
This one.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. But finding an issue would prevent it was kind of like the origin of your website.
Yeah. See here.
Yeah. Yeah. So I don't know. I mean, so it's something like you know how
So there should be one
in
code I have. Yeah.
settings when you go to that Cypress page, yeah, you can enable certain
So
things.
is what is saying like you can't access iframe with different origin using JavaScript. It would be use security flaw
Mhm.
if you could do it. So I have to put protocol hostname port.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, your solution's a
So
little
protocol
different than what I
hostname and
saw,
port
but yeah.
must be the same of a domain if you want to access a frame.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So for instance, like here's the example. .com
Mm.
home index, then I put that one.
You put a constant. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's funny. The evil page. Yeah, that's funny. Uh,
Okay, there's a workaround.
mhm.
Need to change that one, but it is it's funny by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what I'll do in that case, iframe I have loaded, but
Mhm.
security issue is there. No, I cannot different origin this. Should I that case? Let me check another good for me. I'll copy this one.
Okay. Excuse me. I'll go on mute. I cough.
What I'll do, I'll just go here and where's my link here? W3. When I click this one, I'm getting another.
Okay.
Link. That link I should paste there. Yeah, this link. A link. Yeah, this one is different link. No, that's the reason I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So I'll just copy this link and I paste here. Now let me check what happened now.
Okay. Ooh. Hi there. Huh.
Okay. I'll use this one. This one may be helpful for me.
Mhm.
Actually,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, got it. I just need to put my frame ID here. My frame ID is master, no?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Master one, yeah, master dash one.
Let me check.
For the constant, yeah.
Yeah.
See if it works.
Hopefully it works. But
Uh-oh, type error.
yeah, that content. If I remove this one content, I don't want this one. So what happened?
Hmm. Security.
Block a frame with origin. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just take this one. X. Now I paste here.
Hmm.
Where we getting master, no? After loading.
Hmm.
Oh no, shit, I'm getting the same error again and again.
Yeah. Yeah, iframes are hard. I mean, we've gone through this and I'm talking about here on this side, and it's been
Yeah,
hard
it's a
to
triple,
recognize the same.
Exactly,
It's
because
opening another website again where
exactly,
we get stuck. We're trying to hit like a page that says next page.
exactly,
And once we do that, it just, so
correct.
I know there must be workarounds.
Yeah, that's why
But
I'm
it,
checking. That's why I'm checking out that is there a workaround
yeah,
for this one.
there's like it's trial and error until you find the workaround.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
no answer.
They don't have an answer. Yeah, that's what I don't like about Stack Overflow. Or people's answers contradict. Um, and then you don't know what to do. Do we have the security thing?
Yeah,
I
I can
don't
just
think that
put this
really
one
helps.
if I need. Yeah,
Yeah,
if I
I
go
don't
to
know
my
if it helps.
Cypress config file, if I go to configure,
Oh yeah, in the config, I guess.
I think yeah, I'm having web security true now, so I'll just
Yeah, you
make it
say
false.
true. I
So
don't know. I'm just guessing too.
yeah, so what I'll do, I'll just make it false.
Uh-huh. That's good. That one step has that one little failure in there, but um then we go type error again. Oh,
No.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'll work on it. I'll let you know. There is like, can we
Yeah.
take half an hour break?
Yeah, we'll do half an hour break. I figured I could type in what you had
Yeah,
anyway, just
yeah.
so
You can
I
also try
know.
at your end.
So
If
you
that
could so show me on, just show me what you have.
Yeah. Can you see?
And yeah, I can see it. And is this all of it? Yeah, the reference and everything. Okay. Yeah, because I think I might have had a problem with that URL, but I'll see if I can get the right URL. And so yeah, so we're talking like you said how long? 30 minutes or so?
Yeah,
10
30 minutes. 30
40
minutes. Yeah.
10:45 then. Okay.
Yeah. I'll be
I'll
back
be
like
here. I'll
10
type. Yeah.
30 p.m. IST. Fine. Is it fine?
Yeah. Can you display your code again? I'm sorry. Um
Yeah.
okay. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'll do typing and
Sure.
then
Sure.
see if I can see where it runs for me, how it runs for me.
Yeah. You can also try.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay,
Okay.
so I'll leave the call, but then I'll join again.
Sure. Sure. Sure.
All right then. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.